Hey friends, if VPN is connected but you are unable to browse the internet, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the speed of the internet. I'll tell you how and then I'll tell you why. So first of all, open any browser and go to fast.com and hit enter. Now when you hit enter, it would show the internet speed. Is it good enough? I'll tell you why it has to be good enough, because when you use a VPN, the internet speed usually reduces to 50% or 40%. So if you had average internet speed earlier, it would be very slow now. Thus you need higher internet speed to access the VPN. The next is to remove proxies from the browser. Ideally, I would have suggested the second solution is a network reset, but this time it is a little different because proxies cannot be removed with a network reset. So we'll do this first. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked, then use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. And the last solution is to perform a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings and then select network reset and then select reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.